Welcome to the Game Developer Conference. This is where all the games get made, and I didn't know it was going to be like this epically huge this year. So these guys aren't just gamers, but they're game developers. This is the birthing ground of all new games. This is where all the ideas kind of merge together, teams get formed, indie games get made, and big games, big ideas get made too. And what I'm excited to show you guys is what blockchain is doing in this space this year. What's in there? That's pretty cool.
Our Unity SDK, and we made this little dungeon crawler sort of Diablo-like game where you can like run around with this guy, and this gold here is actually a cryptocurrency item. So you pick up a gold coin, and this will actually get sent over to this wallet right here. Player has a wallet here, and they have two items. They have an amulet and they have gold. So they show up in Minecraft for your gold and your amulet and stuff. Now what we can do is Pat can send a sword to this wallet, Address. Okay.
Ready?
Alright.
Boom. Send now.
Send it to the wrong address.
I'll probably.
There you go. There it is. Boom.
No, somebody sent me gold.
Someone did?
Oh, wait, someone sent you gold just now.
Yeah.
Is that you? Got a sword. Matt just sent you.
And I got it, yeah.
Oh, now we got a sword? Okay. Can we get the sword to appear on Minecraft?
Yes. I can do that.
Here, now we got
boom.
boom.
Whoa! Alright, so from there to there.
To the blockchain to there.
Oh, okay. From there to the blockchain to here, and then to the blockchain to there.
Yeah.
This is like the nerdiest shit ever. So we got like them actually teaching people how to make video games, and like you can see that it's already packed. So this is for the Unreal Engine, and they're teaching people how to drag shaders together to make better objects. Hey! It's CryptoKitties. Hey, look. All right.
Oh, you're wearing the shirt. Wow.
Yes, I'm wearing a CryptoKitties here shirt.
Yeah, actually very surprised about the amount of blockchain games and platforms that are here. It's my first GDC. So I don't know what I came in with expectation, but I thought, oh, maybe it's still very fresh.
How's CryptoKitties doing? What's the best cat right now?
The best cat? I'm not even too sure. I don't even play the game because I'm not allowed to own the cat.
Oh, you're not allowed to own cats?
I'm not allowed to own cats.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, the core team, we're not allowed to own cats because of kitty inside trading. We don't want to have that.
Oh, inside kitty trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, how's new updates as well? Are you updating your cats as well, or?
Yes, yeah. We're here kind of in discussions with Korean and Japanese partners, publishing partners. You know, in about a month and a half, maybe two, you'll see what we've been working on. We can't talk too much about it yet, but yeah. Beyond just using tokens as a replacement of virtual coins, with digital assets, and thinking even deeper than that, right? Yeah, it's been interesting to have these conversations with these game publishers and get them thinking about beyond like, oh, let's just create a token where you could use and play with all your games, like the Tencent token, right? Yeah. Like, why don't you think about imagining these experiences, these worlds, where then the objects, these items are on the blockchain as well, and they could live for thousands of years.
Exactly.
So I think that blockchain opens up a whole new door for gaming styles. It's a completely different platform and deals with genuine asset ownership on top of the ability to really save history in a genuine owned way that hasn't been able to be done before. We'd love to develop some of our games in a way that we actually could use each other's assets, because we see this as a group effort. We want to build a community that can, have more than one game to play. So it's not an independent thing that they have to start over every single time.
When it comes to Bitcoin or when it comes to other cryptocurrencies, what's the what's the killer app, right? And I think gaming is kind of that next step to really bring it to a general awareness. And I think adding blockchain capabilities and adding cryptocurrency into games is an important evolutionary step for cryptocurrency.
So Pineapple Arcade is kind of like a retro 80s style arcade where we're taking all the old elements of arcades that we loved as kids.
Right.
And we're merging it with cryptocurrency.
Right.
And we're trying to, not revolutionize, but reinvent it in a new medium. So we were contacted by the Pineapple Fund in order to build an arcade full of prizes. We wanted to build on the puzzles that Margarita's famous for, that we've been including in Neon District, and then expand upon that. And basically make this massive project, a platform, in which you'll have puzzles hidden everywhere. People can win prizes as small as, if you coin by playing Coin Man, or you can win a prize as big as 10 Bitcoin.
Oh, really? You can win a prize as big as 10 Bitcoin. I think everyone wants to play that now, so I'll put a link down below for the Pineapple Arcade. How do you want to achieve no fees for a player?
We're going to be using, we're building something called Affinity, which is a technique of merging many transactions together, hashing that, and then whoever wants to commit it to the blockchain for proving fraud, they can do that. But the people who are doing those transactions will not need to actually pay transaction fees.
So if I play a video game, I don't really need to do anything, right?
No, yeah, our goal here is to make it as seamless for players as possible, so they can just start playing a game, not even have a wallet. They'll get their items into like a purgatory, and then they can like get the wallet and then get their items whenever they feel like it. So we want the lowest barriers to adoption. So
once they can be in purgatory, but once they get it on the wallet, then they can trade it or do anything they want. Awesome.